Okay, so here's the problem. You turn on your TV in the morning and it makes a popping noise and you get a black screen like this. You see that? I don't know if I caught it on camera, but it's basically you can see the dimming blocks and nothing else. There you go. Now you can start to see it. You see how it's a little bit more gray than black? Watch this here. Now it's black. It's going to get black. Black. Now it's off. Now it's on. So how do you solve the problem? Okay, so that popping noise is caused by the power supply. What you got to do is basically remove the power. See? Popping noise again. And then just plug it right back in. And there we go. But it does mean that the power supply is ultimately going to have to be changed. So get in touch with Samsung and tell them to fix their stuff.